Hi, so following on from my previous videos where I've demonstrated using or how to create offset lines in Bluebeam Review, I thought I would actually just share with you quickly how to create some of these custom line styles which are used for creating the offsets. So here we go. First thing I'm going to do is choose a polyline style. Just going to mark it on here. There we go. And what I'm going to do is change my line weight down to 0.1. I'm going to make it a highlight tool. That will do for now, I think. So what I'm going to do is then just add that to my tool chest, temporary tools, which I've got here. On this, I want properties mode, and I'm going to just duplicate that for now. And what I'm going to do is up here, I'm going to go to line style, manage. I'm going to add a new set of line details, so we call this offset lines. Okay. Oh, I've got that there already. Hang on, let's just call this offsets then. Okay, that's great. And then let's go to add, create a new line style. So let's say both sides. Okay. And literally all I'm going to do with this is I've got a line there. This is going to be offset to -10. I'm going to add a new line, and that's going to be offset to +10. Important that we click on this scale with line thickness. That's my first one created. And okay, so here in the UK, if we're doing footpaths around a house, as I've kind of demonstrated before, basically what normally happens is a footpath is either 600mm or 900mm wide and set 100mm off of the house. So that works quite neatly with this. So what I'll do is I'll do the 900mm wide footpath. So if I add a new line style, which is, let's call 900mm half-1, and literally all we're going to do is we'll set this to -10, and then I'm going to set this to -1, and I'll put the line in around the house just so you can see that as well. So let's put that at 0, scale with line thickness. Actually, this might get a bit confusing, so let's take this one out. So -1 and -10. Okay, then we do add 900mm half-2, and what we're going to do is +10 on this one. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to, got that wrong. So this line wants to be at +10. This line wants to be at +1. Scale with line thickness. Okay. That's all I need for now. So what I'm going to do over here, let's call this road offset. And then I'm going to go up to my line styles, go down to the bottom where these are here, so both sides. And let's have a look at what that does. So if I come round on this road here, on the center line, that'll do. So you can see I've got a double line here, so all I need to do is change the thickness of the actual line, and the offset line spread further apart. Keep going. There you go, that looks pretty good over that line. So you can see round here, the road was wider here. As we come around this corner, the road goes back to the standard thickness where it's the same width either side of the centre line. So that's that line style. So if we just look at a footpath as well now, if I just duplicate that and call that path 1, we duplicate that one as well and call that path 2. Path 1, we will have 900mm path 1, and for this one we will have 900mm path 2. So if we want to draw a path around this here, literally click on this, come up to that line there. Now let's have a look at the width here, what we need to make it up to. So I want to be overall a metre off of this house, which is that line there. So I just need to match up that outside line there, wants to match up with that one. So if I click on here, right, it's almost there, but not quite. So let's, well, that looks pretty good to me. So that's our line style created there. Let's just jump around the corner, take a couple of dimensions from the edge of the house to the central line of that one is 0.1, and the path is 900mm wide. So let's get rid of both of those measurements. So yeah, so that's your guidelines that you can mark up to for that house. Obviously, when you mark these up, sometimes they go to the wrong side. So let's just mark this one up with the same line style. Hopefully this will demonstrate what I mean. Oh no, that's on the right side. Basically, if you get it on the wrong, if the markup appears on the wrong side of the line, let's just show that one here. Sorry, what we can also do is we can do a preset on this. Let's just change this to 1.42 as the previous one, and once again 1.42 on this one. There we go. So if I mark this down the central line of this house, so that is offset to that side. But say I wanted this to this side, all I need to do is click on here, right click, paint format, jump over here, paint format that side, and my lines are offset to the other side. So that very quickly is how the custom line styles are created for creating offsets in Bluebeam Review.